Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I am so sorry. Life has just completely gotten in the way. I swear I have been sick every other month nonstop. I still probably sound a little nasally. My son started school this year. It's just been all over the place and I have not had time to film videos. So I apologize, but I am back today with a tiny little unboxing, and I also want to talk to you about the Louis Vuitton Remix collection because I absolutely love this collection. It's the first collection I have seen on the women's side in a very long time that I wanted to buy several pieces. Unfortunately, I was not able to because my budget has been allocated. But stay tuned because I'm going to unbox the one piece that I bought and talk to you about the rest of the collection and all of the pieces that I loved. So this collection was called Remix, I believe specifically because they are redoing many styles that they have produced in the past or even just reinterpreting them. Some of them look like almost direct comparisons with slight changes. Some of them even have the same name and some of them are completely new. Really quickly, reading off the website, what they said about the collection, it says, evoking a Y2K aesthetic with a contemporary flair, LV Remix revives the iconic monogram Vernis and monogram denim across a playful range of leather goods, shoes, and accessories. So the original collection, I believe, came out in spring/summer 2006. I surprisingly do not own any pieces from the original denim collection. I also don't own any Vernis pieces. Vernis, I apologize for pronouncing it wrong. So if you guys have watched my channel before, you guys know that I love buying vintage. I have no problem buying used pieces. I am, however, pretty picky about the condition of the bags. And I have noticed that the denim bags seem to wear very hard. So while there are a few pieces that are of interest to me from the original 2006 collection, I have not been able to find them in the condition that I'm looking for the right price. This collection is the perfect opportunity for people who love the 2006 collection that maybe don't like buying used or vintage to own one of these nostalgic pieces. I think they did a great job reinterpreting this collection. I do want to mention that in spring/summer 2022, they did release that Jacquard denim collection, and I personally had no interest in that collection. To me, it wasn't really true denim because it was this Jacquard denim. It almost looked like imitation denim, and this collection really is the true denim that I think denim fans have been waiting for. Let's get into the unboxing first, and then I will show you all the other pieces in the collection that I loved but wasn't able to buy. So I have 3 boxes over here. I'm only unboxing one in this video. I do not have an unlimited handbag budget. I have a certain amount of money in my bag or luxury budget each year, and I have to allocate that accordingly to my favorite pieces from new collections, vintage pieces, etc. So unfortunately, while I loved many pieces, I had to be really strict and decide what I really wanted to put my money towards. And I spent a large part of my budget for the end of 2023 and the beginning of 2024 towards the Louis Vuitton Pharrell first collection, spring/summer 24. 2 of the pieces are here. I'm still waiting for one piece. Subscribe for that unboxing. I cannot wait to get all of my pieces to show you guys. But that is the reason why I was not able to buy more from this collection, even though I loved it so much. All right, here is my one small box. I took off my address and everything so that I wouldn't accidentally share where I live. But let's go ahead and get this open. I'm so excited to see this piece in person. All right, let's see. Here's the box. So they sent me the receipt. Okay, I've actually never gotten a shopping bag. So that is, I order with a online digital personal shopper, not in store. So I often don't get shopping bags and they don't usually include them in the box, but that's kind of nice. It's a little wrinkled, but cute. And I got some holiday packaging, which is really cute because I haven't bought anything this season. So I normally, again, because I don't shop in store, I normally don't get the holiday packaging. So there's the rest of the box. That is garbage. Okay. I'm so excited I got holiday packaging. So cute. Okay. Okay, got this little holiday sleeve. Super cute. Here's the little box. I'm sure I've already put what the item is in the description. Here we go. And I'll tell you why I decided to get this one piece. My gosh. I love this so much. All right, we got the denim key pouch. Seeing this denim in person is making me regret not being able to buy more pieces, because this really is the perfect thick cotton denim. Look at this large, very large key ring. You've got this 𝒣𝓾𝓈 piece of leather here that has the Louis Vuitton Paris stamp on it. So originally when I saw this, I hated this piece. And I was actually worried that I would hate it in person. And let me tell you, I actually do not mind it. It is smaller than I imagined it would be. I don't know why. In the pictures, maybe it looked bigger. I thought it was like going to be very big. I think that the size of it is actually fine. I am considering 𝒣𝓾𝓈ing this because, you know, this is in and out of your bag. I feel like it has more opportunity to like get water stains, destroyed, whatever. So I've never 𝒣𝓾𝓈ed any of my Louis Vuitton pieces because I don't buy a lot of pieces with 𝒣𝓾𝓈, but I might test it out just because it's so small. I'm not as worried about testing it out, so I might do that. I'll let you guys know if I do. Let's look inside. We've got the 2 pieces that always come with it, and then you've got the little key ring. Oh my God, this is honestly, I really wish I could have bought more from this collection. And then super cute. Look at the new stamp on the inside. So it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, and then it's got the little symbols on it. This is new. This is not typical for, or I have not bought a new piece, I guess, in a while. So I'm surprised to see that new like brand stamp inside. Very cute. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, so this is gonna be so cute, just like hanging off bags. That's why I bought this. And or, you know, hanging off your belt loop or whatever. Ugh, I really do love this piece. Let me pull up the product page really quick. So something interesting on the product page that I was reading about the denim material is that it said that it's GOTS, which is Global Organic Textile Standard Certified Cotton Monogram Denim. So it's like organic, special organic certified cotton denim. I don't know. I just thought that was really interesting because I had not noticed anything with that GOTS tag before. So I guess that's cool. Organic cotton. Again, it's like super thick. It feels like real denim. Again, one of the reasons why I didn't like that 𝒩𝓻𝓈 denim collection is because it just didn't seem like true denim. So I mentioned the original collection from 2006. There are pieces that I have been very interested in getting, eventually adding to my collection, that I have not been able to find in the right condition for the right price that I want to spend. One of those pieces that I always wanted to add was the denim key pouch. And I always find that because they have that like yellow microfiber interior on the vintage pieces, they always seem like a little dirty, and they sell for around $500. So this piece I believe was $505 US retail, which is a lot for a textile key pouch, but it's, you know, certified organic. But I found that I was willing to pay the price because that's kind of the price the vintage pieces were going for anyways, in that used condition that I didn't love. So I did feel like this was worth it because I've been searching for the perfect denim key pouch for so long. The other pieces that I love from the vintage collection are they have like that bigger, more almost like circular key pouch. I forget what it's called, but I'll throw a picture up on the screen. I also love the little pleaty bag, which they kind of redid in this collection, kind of similar to the Sunset. And then I collect these little Japanese catalogs that show all of the old pieces. But I love, again, that little like pleaty bag, and then this double pocket. I forget what this bag is called, but it's almost like Speedy. Those are the 2 bags that I would probably be interested in adding. I'm surprised that they didn't release this one. The Nano Speedy that they released is kind of similar. It has 1 pocket on one side, but I was a little shocked that there wasn't something very similar to this. They re-released a denim belt, which I think sold out. And then we have to talk about all of the Vernis pieces, which I absolutely loved. Here, this is the other version of the pleaty. I like the small one. They re-released the backpack. Super cute. I love the backpack. Here's that more cylinder key pouch that I love. I don't love these hobo sack type bags. I like these ones more. I think the pink denim is cute, but it's hard to find that pink denim color, I feel like, where the material is still as vibrant as it was when it was originally released. I am surprised they didn't re-release the pink denim. I think that would have been a good idea. These little two right here, these are my two favorites, along with the key pouch accessories. This one is super cute. There's the denim jacket. They did the scarves, which they actually re-released this. So then the Vernis, they re-released the little Lexington pouch under the same name. I'm surprised they didn't do the papillon in the Vernis. And then they re-released the Reed bag, which you see here, a lot of the colors that were originally... Oh, actually, this is the Houston. That's the Reed there. So yeah, there's some of the original styles. Even the shoes. Let's pull up I'll put some pictures from the new collection up on the screen and talk about some of my favorite pieces. I'm gonna grab my phone because I screenshot some of my faves. So the Nano Speedy, again, with the one little pocket on the side, that was a digital exclusive. This one sold out. I think this is super cute. $2,600 is so much money, but clearly it was really popular. And since they didn't re-release that double pocket one, I thought this was a nice new reinterpretation, even though I still think they should have done the double pocket one too. Loved the shoes. The wedge and the slide, almost identical to the original 2006 collection. It is taking everything in me not to purchase this little slide. I just know it's impractical and I'm not gonna wear it, but I love how close it is to the vintage style and I think it's so cute. The croissant bag, which I'm not saying that with a French accent, I love this bag. This is another reinterpretation. I, however, love the new one better. I love that the remix, both in the monogram and the denim, they come with a little mini bag with it. So freaking cute. Something about this shape, I just like this one better. $3,350 is a lot of money. I love the hat, the pink hat with the orange LV, part of the remix collection. Nothing to do with the vintage, but I just think this is really cute. $540. Even the pink little sunglasses, so not like Y2K. I thought those were really cute. I wanted to flash some of the items that I saw sold out. The micro nano bag charm sold out, I saw online at least. Here's the new belt. Again, they had a belt in the original 2006 collection. I love this new one, how it has the little flower. Super cute. I believe this was also sold out. Hot item. The new Reed bag. So Vernis is a difficult material because of color transfer. And when you do get a stain or a mark, a pen mark, something like that on Vernis, it's impossible to clean. You can't clean it. I do think that Vernis holds its shine longer than a typical patent leather. So normally I stay away from patent leathers because they just don't wear well over time. I do think the Louis Vuitton Vernis is better than a typical patent leather. So I was in love with the Vernis pieces, specifically in this collection because they were hot pink, and hot pink is my favorite color. So I think redoing this Reed tote with the addition of the clip, so freaking cute. I'm so tempted by this. Oh, I noticed that the micro Alma key holder thing sold out in the pink colorway. My two favorite Vernis pieces were the Alma BB and the Nano Speedy. Both so cute. I love that the Nano Speedy comes with the chain with all the little charms on it. Adorable. I think the one piece that I would have bought from this collection, though, from Vernis, would have been the Alma BB. As a collector, I do not own any Almas yet. I'm waiting to add the perfect vintage ones / if there is a new exciting one that comes out to my collection, but I do think that this one would have been my bag. It's something that I might look for in the resale market in the future when I replenish my bag budget, but it was very hard for me not to buy this bag. I think this is the perfect little nostalgic Y2K Barbie bag. Also obsessed with the nano. Everyone was obsessed with the light pink one from the Valentine's Day collection last year. I think this neon pink one is even better. So cute, so jealous whoever got that bag. Even the Vernis little heart, the Keep My Heart, adorable, but $2,000, way too much money. The Alma BB was $2,850, $3,000. It's just so hard to pay so much money. They're just getting so expensive. The Venice backpack, Really cute. Love the vintage backpack. Again, I think this is very just nostalgic Y2K looking. I love the idea of the denim material on the backpack. I don't own any Louis Vuitton backpacks. This would be one that I feel like I would actually wear. The Hills Pochette was sold out. Now, I think that the Sunset bag was more of a direct comparison to those pleaty styles because of the hardware, but I think that this Hills Pochette was adorable. It's under $2,000 for $1,860. I think if I bought 2 bags from this collection, it would have been the 𝐿𝓝 𝐵𝑒 and either this Hills Pochette or the Croissant bag. However, because of the price, I probably would have gone for this Hills Pochette. Love the papillon, that it comes with the baby bag, that it has the gold chain. I think this is really cute in the denim style. $33.50. I love this. I also love that they redid the Lexington. There were 2 colors, the purple and the yellow citron, or I forget what they called it. $1,600. You guys know I love pochette accessoires. I do think that the lilac is beautiful. If this came in the neon pink, I probably would have been very tempted. Micro Speedy Charm sold out, $1,050. The key pouch, $505. Originally on release day, it did show sold out, is now showing back in stock. For some reason, that leather tab looks larger on the product page than it does in person. I am not as thrown off by it in person. I'm very happy that I bought this. I wish I could have bought more. My other favorite accessories were the Cosmetic PM and the Cosmetic GM. Honestly, I would have bought the Cosmetic GM. It actually really threw me off that the cosmetic cases were lined with denim because that is just going to get so dirty. I couldn't fathom paying the price for something that I knew was basically going to get destroyed. Now, if the intention was for these to be clutches, then I suppose I understand, but still, even though this key pouch is also, the lining is denim, I feel like it is going to get really dirty. It's just even worse for a cosmetic pouch. So the small one was $890. The large one was $1,500. I love this. I think it's so big and slouchy. I would love to pile my makeup in here. I just couldn't do it because of the interior lining, and both of those cosmetic pouches were sold out. So I think the accessories were really popular. And then even the little Vernis zippy coin purse, tempted by this. It's showing item unavailable. I love how the zipper has the little lilac heart attachment on the hardware. I think that this is a really cute piece. So yeah, those are some of my favorite pieces from the collection. I cannot wait to watch everybody's unboxings. Again, these might be pieces that I look out for on the resale market in the future because I did love a lot of these pieces. I have not been in love with a new women's collection in a very long time, so I was super excited to see this collection, and I love that they're bringing back those nostalgic pieces and that they didn't change it too much. They used very similar or new and improved denim. I think that that was really smart of them. I hope that they do more of that. Obviously, we would love to see a Murakami collection, but I don't think that it will ever happen. Please stay tuned, you guys. My Pharrell Louis Vuitton unboxing will be coming as soon as I get the rest of my pieces. I can't wait to share with you what I got. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you bought anything from this collection, what your favorite pieces were. Thank you so much for staying till the end and watching this whole video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.